Hello. So we're done with the printing and here we go. 1, 2, 3. These are all 13 by 8.5s. 4, 5. Just make sure you don't grab too. 6. You know what? I think I'm gonna stop counting because whenever I count, I always lose track. These are 102. Okay, 102. We already counted. Could you please keep this one away because I want to show something later on. Let me put it up there. Okay, these are the 13 by 19s. So just as a size comparison, you can see this one is much larger than those. Take. You can, go through them quickly. I want this video to be as short as possible to keep it as small as possible, file size. That's my daughter, by the way. Camera shy. We're all camera shy. You can just, the camera's not going to pick the right colors anyway, so you can just scroll through them. Remember I told you that our count isn't matching our file tally? Well, actually that was my fault and my first fault as well. We didn't miss a single image, but when it came down to counting every single print, I don't know, maybe two were joined together or something, so that's where the error came from. Okay, 102 because I think there were 2 or 3 images which I didn't print because they were like almost the same. Okay, this one I did print. Remember, we had 2 of these. One had a foreground and this one didn't. But I did both of these because I like the composition. Then let's keep this one away for a while too. We're about halfway done.
Yes.
Okay, for all the images in which we change the sky, those are the ones I printed, okay? The ones with the sky change, not the other ones. Okay, so we have 5 of these. I messaged you earlier, okay? So I went along with the file name you gave me, and this is it. But I don't know, you mentioned nectar as well, so that kind of confused me today after I was done with the printing. So we have, you get
4.
4? Okay. There'll be another one coming. So I mean, if you want 5 of those as well, that is bird with flowers 2.jpg. I'll make another 4. Okay, just let me know. The colors are spot on, okay, and I'll show you how we got them spot on. Just let me forget through these first. No, there are two of them. See, this is how we miscounted them earlier. So it's 102 for the whole set, plus 4 extra for the bird image, which makes it 106 total 8.5 by 13 images, prints that is. Almost done. See, this is the other one. This one has the kind of muddy foreground here, but I did both because I really do like both of these compositions. One more, no, a couple. Okay, this is the last one. Let me just put this. The reason I'm putting these away is just to show you something before we move on to the 13 by 19s. Okay, so the thing is, let me. Okay, so the thing is that fine art printing, right? I mean, yes, everything was calibrated, our monitor, the printer, everything was calibrated, right? But the thing is that some of the images, I mean, some were oversaturated, some were undersaturated, and then the logo, right? So it took me a while to get the logo where I wanted it to be eventually. Okay, so could you just hold on to this black one? This black one here. I just want to show a comparison. For example, this image, right? So I mean, all the rejected ones, I've crossed them out with a permanent marker, but just so that you can see the difference, right? The final one, you can see the blacks are much richer, much darker, right? This is the one which I rejected, okay? Okay, so let me just throw this down. We're not gonna keep these. Okay, so here the logo is too low, so it took me a few prints to get the logo where I wanted it to be. Again, crossed it out, rejected it. And besides, I didn't like the colors of this one. They're a little on the less saturated side. And okay, here you go. This is a major difference, right? The logo is the same, okay, but this one is kind of, reddish, and sky it's not. I mean, it's a little off. Okay, let me just try to get both of them. Okay, there you go. I'm sure you can tell the difference, right? So it just has to do with individual. I mean, it's the eye and everything. And to be honest with you, I mean, I worked like 14 hours day before yesterday, 12 hours yesterday, and about I think 10 or 12 today. Sometimes I just plays games. I guess it's just the way it works. Yeah, we have them. And this is another one. This one I rejected. Okay, the logo though is fine, but I don't know if the camera can pick this up. You have to hold it straight. See the blues. This one's kind of. It has a slight purplish tint. Okay. So I mean, to be honest with you, most people would not be even able to tell. Okay. The thing is, if it's not perfect, it's not good enough. Simple as that. Okay. So here's another one. Wasted. Let me show you two of these together. This one, way too bright, okay? This one, let's try to get these together in one frame. Just the bottom part. So as you can see, this one is too bright here, this one is too dark here. So our final, and the sky up too, okay? The sky is kind of a bit of maroon purple in it. Anyways, this is all trial and error, and another logo test, okay? I didn't like it. And by the way, on some of these, they're only rejected because of the logo color. Once I thought white would look good, I printed it out and it didn't look good. I went back to with black, okay? So that's one reason we have some of these which we have to discard. Okay, these two. Another thing is, we had, you might remember for this image, we did about 3 or 4, I think it was, different looks, right? So this one is a bit red, this one is yellow, close to, I mean, had I sent this, I don't know, I doubt anybody would be able to know this, okay? But wasn't good enough for me, okay? So again, and the greens too, okay? You can see here, this one is oversaturated. The one below is undersaturated. Anyways, okay, so here's another logo test, by the way. This one has the logo on the right. Let me focus. I don't know if you can speak. Yeah, there you go. Whereas this one has the logo on the left, okay? So, I mean, I had to play around with some prints to get the logo right, okay? Yes. I didn't like the logo on this one either, so I did this one again. Gosh, I don't even remember why I scratched this one out. Yeah, oversaturated, okay, yeah, there you go. The colors are too saturated. Our finals are perfect, okay, and I mean, this is the way it goes. I was reading some articles by some pro printers, and I mean, 10% waste, you know, they're just kind of understood. That's the way it's going to go. Okay, this one turned out too dark, okay? Too dark, so there are multiple reasons for having these. They're having this number of wasted prints, okay? This I think is the last one. No, we have a few more here. Again, I didn't like the logo here, okay? I mean, I think the rest was fine with this image. This is a big one. Okay, this one is oversaturated, okay, so I'll do this one again. This is 13x19. Okay, let's move on to the larger sizes now. I will pick these up later. I mean, I won't step on them, okay? So I'll just go through these ones now. These are 13x19s, and these are 32 images, okay? We kind of just printed them and then counted them later on. So instead of 30, we ended up doing 2 more. Okay, this one is, just hold on for a second. This is metallic paper. This is the one I showed you before, actually, remember? All I did is I placed a logo on this one, okay? So this is the same metallic paper, and all the papers, other than our generic photo paper, I've labeled them at the back, okay? So this one is a Kodak Pro Metallic 255 GSM. That's one. The second one, okay? This is a Canson Infinity Edition Etching Rag 310 GSM 2. Okay. I love this one. Honeymoon Smooth Photo Rag Bright White 100% Cotton 310 GSM 3. This is Canvas 450 GSM. I think I already showed you this one. Anthony Sister's house. So Canvas, I mean, you can really bend them, fold them any way you want. It makes no difference. I think we have 4 here, right? Yeah, 4. Canvas. And this one is a rag, Canvas? canvas, yeah. Let me see. Harmon Honeymoon, again 450 GS. It's the same canvas as the early one I showed you. But I really do like the way the colors show on canvases. No shine, nothing, but they really do pop. This one is a canvas, yeah. I did this in canvas as well. I really like this image. And this is, let me see. Again, Harmon by Hahnemuhl 450 GSM. We'll count them in the end, just in case. Because this video is getting kind of long, so let's just run through them quickly. Metallic?
Yes.
Yeah, this is metallic, okay? There you go. Metallic shine. Okay, this one is Canson Infinity Edition, etching rag once again. Same, Canson etching rag. Okay, I really want to do one of the art. Okay, this one is also metallic. You can probably tell in the reflection light. I really want to do one of the artworks in metallic. I mean, this image just it's the perfect image for metallic. Even though I'm not a big fan of metallic paper, okay, to be honest with you, but this really does look good. Here's another metallic. I enhanced the colors on this deliberately because I do like the way they pop. Because this is metallic paper, right? And dull colors on metallic, they just don't look good. Okay, here this is Hahnemuhl Photorag Smooth Bright White 310 GSM 100% cotton. Again, I slightly oversaturated this one because rags are dull. Okay, so and this composition is a very extreme close-up, so there's nothing as such except just the colors, right, and the flowers. So I kind of saturated this a bit. This one is Hahnemuhl Photorag Smooth Bright White 310 GSM. It's the same rag as the earlier one. Again, I love how the colors pop in this one. I think the rest are all photo papers, right? The same as those ones, right? So you can just, how about you do one thing for me? Why don't you count these first, okay? Because these are special papers. I mean canvases and rags. Let's just do a count first. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hold on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, you can just go through these very quickly because this video is getting really long. 13. So this is 14, right? Oh, and this one, the shells look really good. 15. Just run through them. 16, 17. I got this one. Tika. 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I love this print as well. 23, 24, and this one as well. Remember the one we did with the purple grading? This 24, I think. Okay, this is the 25th one. 26. Let's run through them. 27, 28. Love this one as well. 29, 30. These are all 13 by 19, of course. You can probably tell from the size. 31 and 32. Last one. I just did two just in case, because one is on metallic, right, and so saturated intentionally. So I want to do one more with more realistic colors. Okay, 32. So okay, one thing here. Now let me. Oh gosh, no, we need to get rid of these
Yes.
because I need this space. Okay, see, I promised you two papers, right? One was bamboo and the other was rice paper, right? The thing with rice paper is, this is rice paper, okay? I don't know, it's not focusing. Well, anyway, Hahnemuhl Fine Art Rice Paper 100 GSM, okay? So I was reading about them, and these papers are actually meant for office work, you know, such as stationery or light sketches, you know, that sort of thing. So I didn't use rice paper for any of the extra prints, because had I done so, it would have just, you know, smudged the paper and all sort of creases and everything, right? So I just left this one alone. So these are the extras which I promised you I'd do, okay? This one is a Moab and Prada rag bright 300 GSM 100% cotton. Again, it's a rag, so no shine. You might want to spray these rags in canvases, okay? This is my one of my favorite canvases. I would say my second favorite canvas. This is a metallic canvas, okay? Ever heard of those? Okay. Inkpress Pro Media metallic canvas 450 GSM, okay? So you can see the shine it has. It's a canvas and it's metallic. So I wanted to do Anthony's sister's house with this particular metallic canvas. Looks great though. Okay, the third one we have here. This is metallic satin, okay? It's a little different than those metallics I showed you. Okay, then we have Hahnemuhl Fine Art Bamboo. Okay, this is that bamboo paper I promised you, okay? Unfortunately, I think I had only 2 or 3. I just did one print in bamboo, okay? But I did do one. And it's at 290 GSM. 100% bamboo. Okay, now my favorite... you remember that we did some of Elizabeth's personal prints? I think they're somewhere here. Could you please find those as well so we can just put them all together in one place? Okay, this is my favorite rag, okay? Hahnemuhl Smooth Rag Satin, 310 GSM. The reason why this is my favorite rag, rags and canvases are usually dull. This one has a very slight shine. I don't know if the camera is picking this up. Okay, it's a rag, 100% cotton, but it has a satin finish, and I just love the way the colors show on this one. Okay, so I did about 3 images using this paper. Okay, these are all most of them anyways are letter size. Okay, so I had to like kind of compress the images a bit for these. And this black and white again, Hahnemuhl Smooth Rag Satin. Again, I mean, it has a very slight sort of shine, and the blacks here, I mean, just amazing. Okay, I did your dog as well. Okay, so why leave the poor fellow out? You know, we've done so many. So here he is, and again, Smooth Rag Satin 310 GSM Hahnemuhl. Okay, and these are, I did about 5 of yours. Okay, your personal images, that is. One. This is Fine Art Brighter. This paper is actually meant for black and white prints, but on certain color tones, it just works out perfect. Okay, 1, 2. I already showed you these, right? 3. I love this one though. 4. And this one, 5. This is glossy canvas. Hahnemuhl Leonardo. Yeah. Okay, can you please put these away? I think we've showed you all the images, okay? Let me just show you one more thing. These are the sample packs that I have, okay? Hanimal, Hanimal makes tons of different papers, right? Hanimal, 2 sheets of each, okay? I'm just showing you 2 sheets of each. They're all different, most of them at least. Impress Media makes some really nice professional papers. Impress Media, Canson. I haven't even opened this one up yet. Hanimal, Impress, Ilford Prestige, Discovery Pack, 5 each. 5 each of 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. 5 of these actually. No, 4, 20 sheets, yeah. Harman by Hanimal. Absolutely amazing and very expensive paper, okay? So, I just got their canvases, nothing else so far. I have some more here though, samplers that is. So, I think we're done now, okay? So, anything else that we have to show? Yeah, we have to weigh these, I'm sorry. The most important part. We have to weigh the papers because I need to get the shipping rates from DHL. How do you plan on doing that? Do you remember the max limit of this scale? Just turn around this way. Good. It says 0, right? Oh, we're good. It goes up to 20, okay? You might want to put them with the box because we'll be shipping the box as well, right? In fact, we're going to be shipping 2 boxes, so we can probably add a few hundred grams and whatever weight we come up with. Huh?
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, these are all the 8.5 by 13s, right?
Yes.
All of them?
Especially.
You know what? I thought these would be like 5 kg, just these, okay? 2.6. Could you please lift it up and put it back down just one more time? A little on the... Okay. 2.6 for all the 8.5 by 13s. Why don't you place all of these in here first? Let's say 2.7, okay? Because I'll be using some packing and some gaffer tape as well, so... Need 2.6 Kushta?
Yes.
We'll call it 2.7 then, okay? You might want to straighten these out first.
So, just
No, this is not gonna work. Let me help you out. Okay, you know what? Let me. That's not a very. Okay, anyways. Okay, you're gonna have to lift them up one time. You're gonna have to lift them. And I'll have to reset this to 0. Okay, it's at 0. You can put those down. 1.5, really? Could you please put them in the box? Hold on. We're not at 0. We're not at 0. Okay, now please. पहले क्या था 1.6?
1.6.
Okay, we'll call this 1.8, okay? You want to do this one more time, just in case? Let's keep this yeah, but just hold on. Abhi. Okay, now. Okay, it's the same each time. It's quite an accurate scale though, viewer. Okay, so the first one we did was 2.7 and this is 1.7, 3.7, 4.4, okay?